The postman has come, so now I can start putting my car back together. So, the parts have arrived, which means I can start putting the car back together instead of taking it more apart. It's actually a pretty small list of things, just a few bits that made sense to do while the car was already apart. I'll also get cracking on the job I've been putting off, making the firewall presentable again. Anywho, let's proceed. I did get a whole set of gaskets and seals for this transfer case, but it looks like somebody's been here pretty recently. All I'm going to do now is the output shaft seal. I can't be bothered doing the rest. Brilliant.
Yeah, that's off the dome. Yeah. I never let nobody with no motion try to hold me. I'm an OG, and that's the old me. The way I'm sitting nowadays, the money stay 9 ways. I'm sipping on a latte. Why they all call me bougie? I don't want no prayers from no haters. Probably waiting on my downfall. Mad that we made it in my wins on time. Why you trying to delay it? And they say it's authentic, but they wins look plated. They fake though, and I need all my cheese. Queso, provolone, to get all of my dogs out the trap like Home Alone. And Creed said I'm locked in. I really got no options. Standing on business, I need mines off the top then. Hit another level. Finna hit another level. Gotta hit another level. Hit another level. About to hit another level. Had to hit another level. Hey, hit another level. Finna hit another level. Hey, hit another level. Hit another level. Hit another half meal, mixing bass and treble. Locking up the game like a Rico when it's federal. Locked on my target, it's a rap if I aim at you. You rather me pray with you. Hood, please pay attention like hood. Focus on your mission like you should. If you had some vision, then you could, but you don't, so you won't. And you chasing that life, that's good, brother. Hold up, I need mine, please. You can't hold me. I'ma go ahead and hit another level.
Righto, so the ball joint and transfer case output shaft seals are both in the eddy cup, so that was a win. Anywho, I've already got the old seals and rivets out of these doors. I did find a big rust hole in one of the doors on the bottom, which I hadn't seen before, which is a bit disappointing, but I'm probably not really going to fix it properly. I'll just rust convert it, or try to, so the rust doesn't get any worse and spread through the rest of the door, and leave it like that for now. That's a future ed problem. The paint shop's back open tomorrow. It's been holidays, so they've been away, but I'm going to go see how well I can get a can of paint mixed up. I'm thinking I'll just use a 2-pack mixed into a rattle can and just touch up the spots that are already back to bare metal. So rather than painting the whole firewall, I'll just etch the bits that are back to metal and then, yeah, touch them up and see how good I can bring the firewall back just by polishing it. I thought I was going to have to paint the doors as well near the hinges, but I was able to actually just scuff that back and then polish it out. It's still not perfect. I've still got marks from the Scotch pad I used, but if I just go through the process of using higher and higher grits, I'll be able to get those out. Anywho, we will crack on.
Guess I woke up today and just chose the loss. I think I've had enough, why don't you lay off? Nowhere to be, no makeup on, feel young and free.
Probably looks like I know what I'm doing. Oh. Okay, this is going very poorly. The hard part is not putting it on the car, it's actually putting the seal on the windscreen, so. I think the reason I'm battling so much right now is the rope is too thick. I thought it would be too thick. I'm gonna try a bit harder. I'm probably gonna have to get different rope. This seal here should just pop over now. We got it in, thankfully. Done that job before on my last car, and I don't remember it being that hard, but anyway, that was a real pain in the ass. I have got the paint. The guy that sold me the paint had me under the impression that an acrylic would be easier to blend into the firewall repairs, but I still went for a 2-pack paint because it's going to be harder wearing and better adhesion, which is what I want for the hinges and the windscreen brackets. Once that's done, I'm pretty well right to slap it all back together and go about driving this car. I'm pretty keen to get it on the road. I've just picked up yet another impulse buy, so I'm keen to get this car done anyway. Fuck. Fucking bugs always love this shit. Alright, the paint has zapped. So now it's the moment of truth. That's actually looking like a pretty decent match. I just put a bit of tape under there because the shadow can throw it off a little bit, but I've changed my approach a bit now. Now I think I'm actually just going to spray the whole firewall rather than mucking around trying to blend in little spots. I think I'll just spray the whole thing. I'll have a think about where I want the edge to stop. Maybe do a bit of research to see what will be the most forgiving for blending it. But yeah, it's bloody hot now again. It's going to be 40 degrees today, so I knocked off a couple jobs this morning. I belted in a new spigot bush and stuck the flywheel and the clutch back on. Anywho, I might leave this video here. I'm hoping to have this car done in the next video, so paint the firewall, gearbox back in, put it all back together. That's the plan. It might take me a couple of weeks. I'm going back to work next week, so bear with me. But yeah, thanks for watching if you made it this far. I was pretty fired up when I saw 100 subscribers, so let's go.